So what are we doing today? Well, today I thought I'd take a break from setting up the glamping tent to plant my winter garden. And I don't know about you, but it's really hard for me to get motivated to plant a winter garden. In the spring, I'm all energized to get my summer garden in, but for some reason, I'm looking forward to the cooler weather, that's for sure. It's hard to believe it's the beginning of October and it's still very hot here in Texas. So I'm going to take advantage of that and hope that my seeds will germinate. So because I am very limited about my knowledge of planting a winter garden, I decided just to buy a sample seed pack of 25 different vegetables. And despite whether I'm prejudiced or not, I'd plant every single one of them. So behind me, you can see I have my rows set up and I've already planted, put ash down from my fires and I sprinkled the seeds already. So I just wanted to kind of go through a list of the things I planted, and maybe you could get some motivation to plant your own winter garden and see what vegetables are actually typically planted in a winter garden. So I planted leeks, arugula, a type of green oak leaf green lettuce, parsnips, which I have no idea what to do with other than in a stew, cabbage, I use that quite a bit, mustard, kohlrabi, which I don't know what to do with, but if it grows, I'll figure out what to do with it, white scallion, onion, Walla Walla onion, peas, Brussels sprouts, celery, bok choy, and butter crunch lettuce. So that's what I planted in these 3 rows behind me, and I planted them on the south side of the barn, which I know is reflective. It tends to keep my water line from freezing. Anyway, that's what we're doing today, and I hope it motivates you to plant your own garden. Probably a little bit late already, but better late than never, right? Anyway, don't forget to press the like button. Better late than never, right?